A is for alligator.
A is for alligator.
B is for bear.
B is for bear.
C is for crocodile.
C is for crocodile.
D is for deer.
D is for deer.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F is for frog.
F is for frog.
G is for goat.
G is for goat.
H is for hippo.
H is for hippo.
I is for iguana. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar.
J is for jaguar.
K is for koala.
K is for koala.
L is for lion.
L is for lion.
M is for moose.
M is for moose.
N is for nightingale.
N is for nightingale.
O is for ostrich.
O is for ostrich.
P is for penguin.
P is for penguin.
Q is for quail.
Q is for quail.
R is for rhino.
R is for rhino.
S is for swan.
S is for swan.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
U is for umbrella bird.
U is for umbrella bird.
V is for vulture.
V is for vulture.
W is for whale.
W is for whale.
X is for X-ray fish.
X is for X-ray fish.
Y is for yak.
Y is for yak.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.